Good morning. Welcome back to another Trading Futures Live trading session. My name is Franco, and welcome to those that come for the first time. Those who are regular here, welcome back. Before we start, please understand that trading is risky and you can lose all your capital. So please don't take my trades. I do this for my own accountability and for educational purposes. So feel free to chat, put messages on the chat so we can interact, okay? All right, so let's go over the pre-market here. All right, is this public? Yeah. There we go. Okay. Learn. There we go. Hey Taurus, how are you? Morning. All right, so this is something is weird here. Do you hear me? Okay, cool. How do you like the Discord channel, the Discord server? Great. So we can start interacting there. All right, so let's start here. Let's start. Something is wrong. It shows that just one person is watching, but yeah, I already have two people chatting here. Click Y. Type in Y if you hear me and you're watching. Something is wrong here with YouTube. There you go. There you go. That's weird. Just one people. Rich, good morning. Nice. Sounds good. All right, so let's put our attention to what is important right now, and is the pre-market analysis, okay? Regarding the economic side of news, today is other than Biden met with the Chinese president in Indonesia. I don't have anything here other than 3-month and 6-month bill auction, but it's not very impactful to the market. We have money supply month over month, but everything is yellow folder. Then this week, yeah, there we go. So we have some FTC speculative reports coming out today. This is not normal. It's not usual. All right. Tomorrow, nothing important here. PPI at 8:30. So this is going to be important. PPI month over month, 8:30. So some inflation numbers coming out tomorrow. This is a producer's price index, right? We have a Fed governor speaking. On Wednesday, we do have the usual mortgage numbers and retail sales on Wednesday. Then we have a couple members speaking. Crude oil inventories on Wednesday. That's the normal weekly reports. Then we have building permits on Thursday. Housing starts and jobless claims as usual. Okay. and Friday, Friday we have existing home sales. Okay, so this is important now. So we have PPI on Wednesday, and was it on Wednesday or tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. So tomorrow we have PPI. All right. But today is gonna be a kind of like a quiet. I did created a channel on the Discord. If you come here, you can go to the economic calendar, and I'm gonna post it every week so you guys have it. Okay. And if you wanna check the earnings for the week in the earnings whispers, here's the picture that I usually post. Right, is in the Discord, and is automatically added on by the bot that I programmed. Okay, so that's straightforward there. So Discord is gonna be a good tool for us now on. All right, so yeah. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know for how long I was talking and you guys didn't hear me. Yeah. No, it was me. Something was wrong here. Um, I was talking about the dollar being so bullish, and now we are retracing, and I won't change my overall bias to the long side on the dollar till we break this area like 104, 105 right here. That was what I was saying. And yeah, for now, dollar managed to close on Friday here, right? We had a demand right there. So we closed right at the demand, and we gapped up last night right here. So I summarized whatever I said for like 10 minutes, okay? And so we gapped up last night, And here's the London Open, right? Sorry, here's the London Open. And so that's weird because on the 5-minute, that's not the right area. Give me 1 second. Oh, there you go. I would say more like this. Yeah. All right. So ideally, I would like the dollar to break this, right? Hit some sort of supply here, come down, right? And reject these areas again, okay? If the dollar doesn't come down, it's gonna be hard for me to take the short side of the market, okay? I would rather just waiting for a supply on the dollar that is here, 107.49, to take a long. Do you guys hear me now, right? You guys hear me okay? Okay, cool. All right, so my bias on the dollar is bullish today. That means that I am a bit bearish, neutral bearish on the market. There's a narrow range in the overnight, so it's not crazy that we could have a breakdown today. Okay, but I need the dollar to come down to demand, or at least to this area, like 106.80, close to the demand, for me to engage in the shorts. Okay. Do you guys know that I don't jump into trades if I see the price movement? I need the retracement for me to take a fill in the order. So this is the bull case on the dollar, meaning bearish on the equity markets. And the bearish case on the dollar and bull on the equity markets, it'll be something like this. Okay? And a continuation to the downside. Okay? Not a very likely scenario today, given the fact that we had this sort of double bottom here during the London, and we never broke the Asia low. And as a matter of fact, we're creating higher lows here. Okay. Another bearish case on the equity markets can be this: like we break to the upside and we come somewhere around here, coinciding with this drop base drop, now turn into demand around here, but we need to wait. We need to wait for the area to be developed. Okay, so it'll take more time, probably in the afternoon. Okay. Ideally, this drop base drop will push prices down, so we can catch up here with buyers and then take the short. I do have some supply above on the NQ though. That was touched on Friday. We never broke that 11,876. Still fresh. Okay. All right. So that is the US dollar. The bond yields came again to the demand. This demand right here, right? And we gapped up. Now we're trying to push to a lower side. But if yields stay here in this area, that will mean that the market might drop. Okay. If we violate this area to the downside, that's another scenario. That means this will not hold this demand. And we could have something like boom, boom, and then a continuation to the downside. To be honest, the most likely scenario, because of the dollar, it'll be something like this. All right. There's not much volatility here. Look at this. Since last night, we've been ranging. Okay. Market is trying to digest this 4% bond yields. Sometimes it drops, but it comes back again, etc., etc. Now the VIX finally came to this year demand. If you figure this, since January we've been in this area, and every time we come to this level from like 22 to 18, this range, we tend to gap up, and today was not the exception. Friday we came here, we managed to close very close to the zone, and then we're gapping up today. Now here, I am more bullish on the VIX, okay? No, it's not the same case like here, okay? Like at these levels, I'm not very bullish. Like I do expect this to come down. At this level, probably we have a higher probability that the VIX will go up, okay? It has gone up from here the entire year. Okay, so that's another chart that makes me a bit bearish on the equity markets. So my bias today is neutral bearish. Now let's put the, I don't know if you guys have any questions here. Now let's put the 5 minutes on the dollar. All right. Let's put the live trading session here. There you go. Feel free to share. For those Taurus, if you can type in on the general chat to join the live stream on YouTube, probably people does not see that. There are people waiting for me to be live in the Discord channel. There's this Falat talking about where is this gonna happen, and he has to go to YouTube. All right. I don't know if you guys what's your bias for today? For me, it's neutral bearish, and I'll be expecting the markets to come down a little bit today. Let's put my main screen so I can show you my main screen. Thanks, buddy. I don't know why YouTube shows that I just have one person online. It's weird. There's some glitch or something. All right, so this is my main screen. I'm gonna set my risk today. I'm gonna go 1.2%. That's not unusual. That's like my high end. So it'll be 250, 260, 265. There you go. $265 per trade. Yeah, on my risk. Since we have a very narrow range, I would expect some breakout, either to the long side or the short side. If it's to the short side, I will want the dollar to be in demand, and right now it's not in demand. It's more like close to a short-term supply created at 7:40 in the morning. Okay, so the breakout to the short side is not a high probability for me. So here's the deal. If I have this thing coming down, right, close to the open, and then the dollar in demand, that is a good setup for the breakout to the short side, right? But the dollar is in a short-term supply. I don't expect it to work because we came here at 850. We rejected a little bit, but we're back at it right now. And we're off. So market is open. We'll wait for the internals to tell us what to do. Okay. Today, there we go. 848. Yeah, 848 is around the, oh no, 848 is a close from Friday. Around there, right? 50 something. Yeah. No, I have 11,876 as my supply. So I'm gonna test this because sometimes, all right, cool, it's working. 8, 13, 6, nice. All right, so the dollar is coming from supply and this thing is dropping. So what I want to see probably is this level again, 106.94, for me to take this short, okay? 106.94. See if the dollar can give us that. Remember, the overnight high and overnight low are sensitive points, right? A lot of buyers jump in the overnight low and a lot of sellers jumping on the overnight high. So if we break to the downside, I would like to see some sort of formations here to the left. Some formations be created here so I can rely on the formations. Tick chart is not very negative though. It's like minus 250. ADQD it is. ADQD is very negative. No, not really. It's minus 800. Oh yeah. I don't know why this thing is. Pretty slow open though, very choppy. Yeah. So let's see if we can find somewhere that we can rely on. This is 3 times tested. This overnight probably. Here's the deal. I like this one, but it's tested already. How can I move this to the upside? No. Alright, this thing is acting very glitchy. I don't understand this. It's not showing the CDXs and anything. Oh my god. Alright guys, I don't know what's going on with my ninja. It's acting very weird. See that? I cannot even... There we go. So I'm gonna take this. Let's see. Yeah, tick chart is not in the right position though. All right, so we got this one. Hmm. So we got to the zero line and then the rejection. That's a good sign. Oh my God. Yeah, finally the dollar is breaking to the upside. Is that RTH value area low? Also, the demand zone could be interesting for a buy. That's from Friday, right? But not the entire. I posted a picture for the entire month of October and part of September where the value area is. Yeah, this thing is slowly coming down. this thing is... Oh, there we go. Now it's working. What the fuck? There we go. All right, so I have 142, 742 to 57, 742 to 67 to 57. Sorry, 57. That's basically the overnight. Yeah, I wouldn't look for any short yet, or any long yet. What time is it? 9:49. All right. All right, tick chart is breaking above the zero line. There we go. So I have that order there. Let's see if we can fill it in. Yeah, there's 1 more minute for this thing. If tick chart comes to a lower extreme, I will take this order off. Yeah, 50 seconds for me to fill this order. $40. 5 seconds. There you go. New 7 minute. Oh, they just put me one contract. One contract out of 8. All right, so I'm in. Yeah, this thing is. Yeah, we might have more upside here. Yep. Yeah, buyers are showing up there. Let's see if we can have some more downside here. Tick chart is at the 0 line and is bouncing. Yeah, at this point I have nothing to do but to wait. It looks like it's not gonna be a winner though. Oh, well, tick chart is bouncing back up. That's not bad for me. So I am risking how much? 250. I'm close to 1-to-1. So let's see if we can break this. How close are we from 1-to-1 so we can protect the trade? Oh yeah, we were 1-to-1. So I'm moving my stop. This thing might bounce, but it is what it is. I am break even right now. Yeah, the tick chart is bouncing off of like minus 200. So we might have a continuation to the upside. It's just the normal 7-minute retracement. Yeah. So we are up around 1 times my risk. The dollar is coming down, which is not bad, but yeah, it looks like this thing wants to hold right there. Look, the tick chart is bouncing off of that level. So yeah, that might be the continuation to the upside. Yeah, this point is a 0 risk. Yeah, break even. It's not bad. This is not a bad level. I like this level big time. Is the overnight. So if this goes up, I might retake it. Everything is lined up there, especially the dollar. I might. Oh my God, they stopped me at break even. Look at that. Yeah, that happens, guys. That happens. Look at that. All right, now I'm not thinking of retaking this trade just because of this drop. Do you like the long? I don't so much. Just because of the dollar. Three more minutes for the 30-minute to close. On the ES, we basically have a sideways candle on all of them though, but the YM is going up. YM. YM is the Dow Jones. Yeah, but I don't refer to the micro or the mini. I just call it YM. I execute on the micro, but I watch the mini contract. Yeah, I think it's $1 per point. No, no, I think it's 50 cents per point. Because the regular mini is $5 per point, so divided by 10 will be. Yeah. All right, new 30-minute. Yeah, this level is too choppy for me to enter. I will have to wait. Here's the deal. I like to watch them all at all times. Like I have it here to the left, somewhere that I don't take space in my screens and stuff. Like I have it there in a corner so I can glance at them from time to time, just to see which one is the weakest and the strongest. All right, so I do have everything overnight to the left, so I'm not taking any of these. Let me see. This is. Do you see how glitchy my NQ my ninja is? Look at this. It's 9:45 at all times. Do you see that? Do you see this? I don't know if you guys can read. 9:45, 9:45, 9:45. I don't have. What the fuck? Look at that. Is this thing acting weird for you guys too? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna close this thing. And for now, I will put this. Just give me one moment just to see if I can solve this thing without restarting my computer. Still loading. All right. Looks like it's working. Yeah. All right. Let's get back to this thing. Smart risk, $265. Fine. All right. Let's see if this works. Fine. Nice. All right. It looks like I am. Yeah. It looks like it's all set. So this is the open. Yes. Yeah. So here's the open. Not is already tested here, so I don't think this will work. Especially now. Look at this. Twice. So let's see if we create any sort of supply right here. Dollar. Well, the dollar came off the level. Still to the downside. So I want to see where we bounce from. I want to see if I find something here. 12. That's noon, right? From Friday. I got nothing here, but it's very explosive move to the upside. Look at this squeeze. I think I got the long on Friday here, right? This was my long. Yeah. So it's coming off of this level. Yeah. Yeah, at this point, we need to wait for the overnight to be broken, though. Where's the overnight high? Okay, cool. Dollar still coming down. Let's go see what the 4 hour is doing. Yeah, 4 hour is coming to test the overnight. How much you took on 5 days long? Don't remember. It was 3 to 1. Stock market map here. That's a good point, Taurus. If we have yeah, this big companies going down. Wow. What is Apple doing? It's less than 1% down. On the Friday, yeah, Fridays I took 3 to 1. Yeah. I took 3 to 1. But it kept going. It kept going. My trade was this. Let me see if I can put the trade. Now this is today. On Friday. Yeah. I took a long here. And scale out, and this is the final target. But it kept going. Look at this. Wow. Kept going big time. Look. Until like 3 in the afternoon, and then start to go sideways. Yeah. But it doesn't matter. Like, important is that you take 3 times your risk consistently, then you start stretching, right? You can go for 4, and then you start measuring your trades, how effective you are. If I don't move my stop ever, I could go up to 7 to 1, and that will make me good money. Myself for getting out of the long, but trade was quick scalp 30 points. Yeah. Yeah. So I have this. Look, I have this. Here's the deal. I do have some demands created right now. Look, I have this one. I have this level. So the short is not going to be easy. Look, I have demands here. This is a pretty good one. This one, 63.52. Here I don't have much. Probably this one, but I don't like it too much. Too many weeks, too many tests. And then down here, yeah, the other day. That's the thing. We're seeing it in hindsight. We're seeing it in hindsight. Although I collect data on that trade, on my H1, I should have put that it went more than 6-1, so I can measure how far my trades went, just to plan ahead for the future. See if I can stretch a little bit my 3.5 standard. So I'm gonna try one thing. The dollar is coming down to an area that is interesting, right? So if this thing breaks to the downside, I might take this bull bear and then a continuation to the downside here to this level 725. So let me see what's my risk and reward ratio here. Say I take this one. Barely 3-1. It's not a good business though. I will have to risk a lot less. Thank you, Doris. Yeah, continuation to the upside looks like I have this one and I have this one. So both are high quality demands. Yeah, at this point, there's nothing I can do. Like, I want to short, but I need the dollar either in demand, like 106.77, and it's coming, or something to be created here. Either way, I need something to be created here. There's nothing I can do, or everything to the left is overnight. Well, Nvidia is flat though. Then I have Netflix. Oh, Netflix is going up 3%. Then we have Meta 1%, Amazon minus 2%. For those just joining to the chat, to the live stream, I took a short trade and ended up break even. I did have this one though. I did have this one and did not take. No. This one I didn't have it. No. I put it after. Yeah. This one I didn't have it. Sorry. No. I was looking at this one here. This level. But I would have gotten break even anyway. No, this level is like I have this demand, then I have this demand. This demand is very good. This demand is very good. So that's why I think the short right now is hard, and the long is not there because the dollar is coming down. It's kind of like time to go for a walk or something. Good quote. Good quote. Welcome, Adam. Now here's the thing. I was not thinking in long here. Okay, no, nothing particular. It's just the dollar was not aligned to the long, right? Well, the dollar hit supply right here. Like supply was hit at 920, but look what this thing did. 920, right? It came down. So I was not thinking in any long here. So this is a short week for me. I'm not gonna be here the entire week. I'm traveling Thursday and most likely Friday. I'm gonna try to make it, but I won't be trading either. Thursday is a completely off day. I will be traveling, and Friday I'm not sure if I will be able to live stream. Either way, I'm not gonna trade. From Thursday till the Monday after Thanksgiving, I won't be trading. Okay, so if I do if I do any live stream, it'll be pre-market, or we can read the market for a few minutes, but I won't be able to trade. I use too many things at the same time. So I need a dollar, I need this, I need that. So yeah, I'm taking a vacation though. All right, so I have this demand and I have this one, but if we take this one here, the supply, dollar is approaching demand. Here will be 2 to 1, so I will scale out some here, but ultimately I will go for this one, or at least for this one. Yeah. So double top here, so triple top here on the 500 share bar. Yeah, at this point, I should have, I could have recognized this one here. See this? This drop, base drop, and then this retest. But it's easier for me to see them to the long side. To the short side, it's harder for me to see them. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm gonna so I like to do this. You see this? I like to rotate this thing like this. There we go. It's a perfect explosive accumulation here. Boom. And a lot of sideways here, a leg out, and they're coming back. Boom. Yeah. So it's hard because I didn't recognize this short unless we take this one. Unless we take this one here, but it's not the best one. Ideally this one. So this long, I don't take it. I know I have this long, but Now the dollar is finally reacting off of some demand right there. Yeah, it's very choppy and slow today. So I'm kind of like, if I take another trade, fine. If not, fine as well. Yeah, probably this one is not bad. I'm gonna see if I have the internals here. I'm gonna set the bracket. I'm gonna set the bracket, and the target is gonna be this one, but we can modify it later. What the internals are doing. So here's 1017. There you go. So here's 1017, and this is the divergence. We have a bit of divergence here. I don't like the ADQD though. The ADQD is not ideal. So I will take this one confirmation just because ADQD is not ideal. So I will wait for this thing to come inside, and then I'll take it down. Now, do you know what? We could have done that. The bull bear zone. Look at this, bull bear. Yeah, this is the one though. I will wait for the 7 minute to open, and then if it opens to the upside, I will take it coming down. Yeah, but not at this level. It thinks, yeah. There you go. Only 2 contracts. What is that? Oh, there you go. All right, so it looks like we are 1-to-1. We were, right? I want to act fast. I want to act fast. Yeah, we were more than 1-to-1. There you go. Now, my entry is not ideal. Like, it's not the best one, but I think I can have some here. Yeah. I like to scale out here probably 9 contracts. Yeah, I'm gonna scale out here 9 contracts. Yeah. That's not good. How much were we? Like 2-to-1 probably? Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, they're gonna stop me out. They're pushing to the upside. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Wow. Just turn my face to look at the chat. Yeah, but the buyers are active there. To just turn prices down there is not easy. Anyway, like it is what it is. It's zero risk right now. It looks like it's gonna go up though, since it likes, honestly. But there is only one way to know, and it's waiting. Yeah. Yeah, prices are turning. It like the tick chart gets to zero line and bounces back up. Yeah, it is what it is. This is my second short today. The other one was like 1.5-to-1. This one is probably like 2-to-1 right now. So my scale out is around 2.5-to-1. Yeah, buyers are showing up right there. Yeah, and the dollar started to drop. So there you go. That's a confirmation for the level. It is what it is, guys. If I don't take any other trade, that's going to be fine too. Frustrating a little bit, but it is what it is. There you go. So they took me out. Damn, and it costed me $17 in commission. Damn. No. It doesn't work for me because I go for 3-to-1. I will have to go for 5 or 6-to-1 for it to make sense. I can't like financially. It's okay. Like I don't care. Look, we were so close to the scale out. Look at this. But see that this area was good to the long side, but the dollar is not there. I cannot take these demands. It's hard for me to take them. And it's okay. I need to understand that my system is a system, right? And it works for me. But sometimes it doesn't make money, and I need to understand that. Sometimes it loses money, and I need to understand that too. We cannot treat trading as a trade by trade thing. Trading is a overall collection of numbers and trades. Yeah, probability. No, I get it, Taurus. I was $400 up in that trade. I was close to let me see how much was I up. I was up. So I was risking this much, right? I was risking this much. I think I was at some point I was 2-to-1. Close to 2-to-1. So I might have been a 500 and $500 up in that trade. No, actually it was $430 up in that trade. But I cannot see this. I am good at taking good trades, right? So I want to take advantage of that. I don't want to scale out until my win rate it's above 65%, which is crazy hard, but is achievable. It's not impossible, right? With my system, unless I have that kind of win rate, I cannot take any money out of the table before 2-to-1. Right, my win rate right now is 41%. So figure this: I lose the majority of my trades, and I still make money. So that's why is my stubbornness, if you will, on not taking the money out of the table until is at least 2-to-1. Yes, I did have all these freaking weeks going to the upside, like boom, 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 and the dollar was not breaking to the upside either. Like things were happening here that I realized. But here's the deal, Taurus. Today happened whatever I was narrating, if you will, but I could have gotten it wrong and this thing could have gone down. So after I am in a trade, the best thing I've found is just not touching it. That you don't touch it, Franco, and that's it. Either wins or loses. Period. Because if I start improvising, I will screw it up. I will screw up the trade. I've done it in the past. That's why I say it. Yeah, no. The other way around. Emotions are vivid there. The emotions are all over the place because you have money, right? On the line. So just because of that, you're not thinking clearly, right? Or I'm not gonna talk about you guys. I'm gonna talk about me. So you, Franco, are not gonna think clearly when you are in a trade because things are happening. Emotions are coming, right? If you're winning or if you're losing, emotions are there. So when you have emotions, it's harder and harder to be focused, right? Have a narrow vision on whatever is happening there. You probably are not watching other stuff, right? So for me, and it's working so far. Probably I will change it. I'm not gonna say I will not change that part on me. I will probably change it in a few years or a few months. Who knows? But technically, I need to see myself winning more trades, right? Getting that 41% up to 60%, and then I'll start modifying my trading system or money management, whatever. No, I understand, Taurus, but I don't want to be so fast and conclude that I know what is going to happen, right? In any given trade. I rather just look, it's not that I'm still risking the entire amount, right? I am a break even. So it's a free trade at that point. No, if I start making 1-to-1, if I start winning 1-to-1, I probably will go up in win rate. Almost sure. Because the majority, I'll tell you how many break evens I have in a little bit. I have a lot though. I do have a lot. I wouldn't be so sure. I feel this pattern on me. Every time I am in a trade, and this is a psychological thing that I am discovering, right? Every time I am in a trade, I'm watching. I'm watching and looking for things that go opposite of my bias or my trade. So I have a not a confirmation bias, but like more like an opposition bias. I don't know if that term actually exists, but I know confirmation bias is very common among traders. Try to justify why you want to take a trade and so on. But at this stage of my career, I feel like every time I am in a trade, I am trying to find the opposite bias. So that's very common. If you see all my recordings, I was watching that during the weekend. So every time I take a trade, I start like not criticizing it, but just looking for points that will damage my direction, right? My trade. If I am short, I will start looking for like clues of, okay, this thing is like tick is going to zero and then coming back up, and the other way around. If I'm longing, oh, tick is coming to zero and then coming back down, and that might be true, that might be not true, but it's right now I'm starting to realize that every time I am in a trade, I start to look for things that go opposite my trade. So that's why in this case, yes, I was watching. Damn, the dollar didn't break to the upside. That's not good. But it could have broken later. So yeah, I wouldn't believe myself so much after I am in a trade. I learned that. I learned not to believe myself and not to touch the trade until it gets to the target or the stop. Edgar's. That's one thing that I learned off of Banthorpe. You get confused. You get confused. I mean, not you, Edgar's, but I mean every trader get confused with the numbers, and the math is simpler than it looks. And and I found that I do perform a lot better, and my accounts perform a lot better when I take 3, 4, 5 to 1s, and we not only, sorry, I don't only recognize it on my account, but we optimize algorithms that were very simple, and all of the optimizations just used to push the target to the very end. Like if you catch up a trending day, your exit has to be like 3:59 in the afternoon, right? No, that's another scenario, right? I don't trade like that. I go for 3, 4, 4 to 1, a risk and reward ratio. But what I'm trying to tell you is that the more you win, when you win, the better you will perform. And I am convinced of that. Because the other way around, I used to have even 90% effectiveness win rate, and go for 5 points and risking 10 points, or that ratio, and I still lost money with that 90%. No, I got you. Well, I think also it depends on every personality, right? I think also it depends on any personality. And we're just having that discussion because I got stopped at break even twice. But I could have gotten a winner, or I could have gotten a complete loser, right? Is everything is hypothetical. Like this already happened. It's in hindsight. That doesn't mean I cannot change. Like I like change. I like change in general. Improving my trading system requires changing. But I think until I don't get better at my win rate, I cannot modify that. And that is a very, very hardcore rule that I have. Like until I don't get better at taking trades. Because this is what happens. When I take 1-to-1, then I want to take more trades, right? I'm not waiting for the high expectancy trade. I will, oh, it's just 1-to-1. I'm going to try this one and the other one and the other one and the other one, right? So I tend to get confused. That's why my trading system does not take so many trades in a day, because I need to wait for the high expectancy and high probability trade. There are tons of probabilities and tons of different ways to trade this market that is right now in a range of 50 points, right? You could have gotten short here, long here, short here, and all, like, anybody can do that in hindsight, right? And if you're a scalper, that's great. If you're a scalper, that's great. But I am not, and the reason I am not a scalper is because I confuse what is a good setup with any setup. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm scalping, I want to scalp every freaking candle. Well, I used to, right? So is that a good practice? Not, and certainly did not help me. Nice. All right, I'm gonna take 5 minutes off. Coming back. All right, 11 a.m. Now, the more time it spends there is harder and harder to take a trade in that level. So we're getting where? Oh, we're getting here. Okay, gotcha. What about this one? There would have been a good one. There you go. So here, 'Yes, this was the area. We were not patient enough, guys. I was not patient enough. Like I wanted to trade this, but this was the one. $762. Yeah, down here. Yeah, it makes sense. A lot of values here. Now, if we break to the downside from this level, we might have the bull bear right there. Every time it comes here and it gets stronger to the upside, we can do this, right? And then a continuation. It doesn't make sense though. But we're gonna have to be aggressive to take it. We need this thing to break to the downside though. And we need to understand that the location is not the best one. It's a bull bear. And if the dollar breaks to the downside, If the dollar breaks to the downside to 106.77 and we break this to the downside, that will be ideal. Tick chart is is neutral. Now what I don't like is the ADQD so much. That's the one. So we've been sideways for like 1 hour. Yeah, almost. So why I don't take this demand? So what's the reason why I don't take this demand? So number one, right? The time to take it was the first time. That's number one. Number two, the dollar is approaching demand. So the higher probability situation here is if the dollar hits a good demand, then we can have this. It cannot. It doesn't have to be like it can come to the overnight, right? And if it stays here in this range, there's nothing for me to do. Zero. So if we do this, so when you consider Taurus value area, do you consider what 80% of the volume? All right, so here we go. Here we go.
Order submitted.
Yeah, this thing is it's not coming. Let's see if we can get this one. Has to be within this 7-minute candle. If it comes in the next 7-minute candle, I will take the order off, and I will take it confirmation to the downside, but it needs to be filled in now in this 7-minute. I mean 40 seconds. Yeah, no, that ain't gonna happen. So 20 seconds. Yeah. So I'm taking the order off, and I will probably take a confirmation. Okay. I still have this. Hmm. This is not a bad setup though. A return to the overnight and then a continuation to the downside. I wouldn't try any long though. I mean I don't like the long. Even if it comes to this 705, the dollar is in the middle, close to demand. I rather just this thing to come back up to 761 for me to take it to the downside. Probably one more minute, 1.5 minute. 1120, two break evens. I don't know. That got nothing to do with my system, the two break evens. But no, I don't think the entire day, but I could stay a little bit. I have other stuff to do. I'm traveling Thursday, so I need to get things ready before I go. Do you make money, Rich? I'm going to my country. I'm gonna visit my wife's family. I haven't been there like in 4 years. Good, Rich. So the S is a bit slower though. It's my original country. Sorry about that. Yeah. I am from Venezuela. So I'm gonna go there. Did I say my own country? My country. Yeah, where is he, bro? Yeah. He's absent today. Alright, let's see if this one is a good setup. Does not look bad. Like it's fresh. 7 minutes just opened, so it's good. Let's see if we can get the push to this level. If we don't get to this level and then we go down and we break this pivot, then I will not think about this level, okay? This is the configuration for the bull bear. This is the configuration for the bull bear right here. I'm gonna put like a medium, like an average line right there. Yeah, this one. Yeah, no. See if we can have it. Is he probably streaming? Is he streaming? No, he's not live. He had family though. He had family coming over. So probably he's busy. He's busy. Trading. I trade. No, for real. I trade. That's my only economical activity. Yeah. I'm a full-time trader. No, I do have this account, $20,000, right? But you're not watching all the trades that I'm putting. I have 4 more account linked. So if I'm risking 250,000, I might be risking probably like 12 to 1,500 bucks, right? So if I make 500 bucks here, 300 bucks, 400 bucks, so you gotta multiply that. Oh, before? No, my background is in car dealerships. So I used to sell cars. My family owned that business still in down there in Venezuela. So it's a family business, but I don't live off of that. There's not much to do down there. It's not good, the economy and stuff. And I used to when I came to this country the first time, I started flipping houses. So it was 2014. I used to buy in the auction, a lot of foreclosures and stuff. So I flipped houses for a couple of years. It was good. I mean, financially it was not spectacular. It was good. Was okay, but I didn't like it. I was, yeah. So that, yeah, I did that, and then I took probably like 2 years of losing money. No, I like this too much. I like this too much to do another stuff. I probably won't be day trading 20 more years. Um, I would like to somehow develop this ability of probably swing trading. But for now, it's fine. I love it. It's very exciting, but it's a bit boring. And I want to give you the sense of boredom in this live stream, because if it's too exciting, it's not good. Like my own experience is when I feel too excited about what is going on or my trading, I still like wake up energized and with this will to do things, right? Like trade and stuff, regardless of what happened yesterday. This is the only job that I find like I got smashed yesterday. I will come back today like nothing happened. Obviously, in the sense of me wanted to stay here and trade, right? Obviously, there are a lot of attachment that a lot of things that happens with your emotions, fear, and etc. Right? But what I'm referring to is regardless of what happens to you, if you really like this, you will come back tomorrow and we'll try to make it work. Now, some people confuse, and I did. Some people confuse trading with because of this excitement, and you shouldn't, right? The more bored it gets, I think the better you will be. No. Yeah, uh, George, I know you like those words. I know you like those words. All right, new 7 minute. New 7 minute. Where's the dollar? All right, let's see if we can take this to the short side. I just want this to. Oh, please. Now. Look, it gave us the entry, but I was completely distracted. I didn't want to put the order limit. I didn't want the limit order. Come on. I need the dollar to break to the downside a little bit. Yeah, we can share on the Discord later with George and Beto, my brother. All right, so the dollar is come on. So give me the entry. So in the next minute I'll probably get the entry. Let's see. See if we can get the entry here. All right, so I'm gonna put this order. The order is on. The order. Oh shit! Look at that. No. Amazing. Amazing. So we can get a field here. No. All right. So here's the deal. It does not look like my well, let me see if we can fill it in. It looks like we're gonna get filled.
Order filled.
All right, so we're in this thing. And we're gonna be stopped out. Yeah.
Order filled.
Oh my god, we got what is this? Look at this volatility. Look how much money. I lost $40 more. Whew. Wow. I'll tell you in a bit. I need to record a video and I haven't, so I don't have the code yet. I will have it. I will have it though. Wow, look at this. What happened? Something some breaking news or something? Wow. So the dollar is finally breaking down. Let's see if we can have this. God damn.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right. So what a 7-minute candle. Impressive. Impressive. Can we have the one to the short side? We'll see. It doesn't look like the dollar is reaching demand. Finally. Finally, the dollar is reaching the demand. So this is a high trading volume day for me. 4 trades. Yeah, buyers are pushing this thing. Oh, Brainer is speaking. God damn it. I wasn't aware of that. Where is he saying? I didn't have that in my schedule, did I? Well, we did have the 3-month and the 6-month bill auction. Yeah, we did have that. And Brainard, yeah, Brainard is speaking. I don't know what is he saying. So yeah, this short is looking riskier and riskier here with the tick chart. Tick chart. The dollar is in demand. Let's see. Well, there's two outcomes for now: either stopped out or winning trade. So those two outcomes are gonna be playing out anytime today. $707. So here's the deal. My 1-to-1 here is very long. Sorry, my 1-to-1 here is very, very wide. So I don't know if I actually will wait for it to move my stop. Is 18 points. Right here. So we'll load 1-to-1. Either way, I think I'm going to, yeah, because of the momentum that we have. All right, so dollar is coming off of the demand. I am going to move my stop. I'm going to move my stop. Is 19 points my 1-to-1. So I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna reduce my risk to 0, and probably my scale out will be somewhere around here if we happen to come here. If we happen to come here, it is 0 risk right now. Now I'll tell you the truth about this trade. It doesn't look good. Doesn't look good because of the 7-minute pattern. Yeah, it's very bullish.
Order filled.
Yeah, there you go. So that's it. That's all for me today. That's all for me today. No more trades. Oh no, I didn't go sleep. I lost commissions, $40 in commissions today. That's outrageous. $770, yeah. Yeah. In what time frame? What time frame? Taurus? The bull flag? This one? Yeah, I didn't took not even one long today. I really didn't feel like the long was a high probability trade. 750 volume chart. Gotcha. Um. So I wanna take this trade again, but no. 4 trades, no winning trade, so it's fine. It's better if I just stay away. The setup is there, like the dollar is in demand. Tick chart is too good for me not to take it. Tick chart is too good for me not to take it. Yeah, I'm gonna put the.
Order canceled.
No, I need to take this here. There we go.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it anyway. That's fine. If I lose this trade, that'll be it. But I think the tick chart is too good for me to take. If for not for me not to take it. It created a divergence. So what I ideally I will take this thing confirmation. Ideally, I want it to go up. I want it to go up just in case we just blow the supply, right? In case we blow the supply, I'm not in it. There we go. Come on. So that's a new 15-minute. So I will be in this trade right now. I will be in it. So I don't want to take it until. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Nice.
Order submitted.
Oh, see that? See that? Confirmation was good. It saved me $200.
Order canceled.
The confirmation saved me $200. And right now I have no supply to the left. Yeah, the 4-hour is solid candle to the upside. Narrow range. No, the YM is positive right now. Yeah, look at the dollar. The dollar came to the demand, but this thing didn't drop. Now the dollar is going up with this thing. So the question is, are we gonna have some downside today or no? Oh, look at this. Bond yields are coming down. Market is telling the Fed to slow down. Market is telling the Fed to slow down here. Gold. Wow, this thing went up 120 points. 150 points with the CPI read. Wow. So Taurus, I made some withdrawals on the one up, and they sent me an email to record a video of my testimonial, how I do like the process, the evaluation, and everything. So they promised me a 50% discount on the test. I told them, look, I am funded. What am I gonna do with that? Can I give it away? And they told me yes. So until I don't record the freaking video, I send it to them, I won't have the discount code. But I think I'm gonna do it either today or tomorrow before I travel. Okay. So before I travel, I'm gonna do that, and then we will have the giveaway on the Discord. I created a channel called giveaway, and I think the Me6 bot can do the random thing selection, the random selection. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, it's good. I will ask you some things though. I will ask you to react to a message, or I don't know, share my thing, and I'll do something for my benefit too, for my channel. But I think it's a win-win um thing that we're gonna do there. All right, let's see if we can have this one. I really like this one. I know my bias is too short, but if this gets to the zero line and it comes inside this, I'll put the order. I need the tick chart to give me a little bit more to the zero line. Oh, that's a good question. I think it's up to 150, but I'm gonna ask them. I'm gonna make them a good ass video. So I'm gonna ask them probably for the 250, up to the 250. You know what? Might be wrong here. So this is the level that I'm paying attention to. Yeah, they don't have 50%. They're not like Apex. They throw this 80% discount now. They give you 10, 20 here and there. But 50% is not bad. By the way, doing the video, I realized that they're very good. They are very good. So in the video, I tell the story about what happened to me on Apex. When the trading algos were trading for me, and they took the account off of me, like they closed the account. And I don't know if I've told you that when I opened this account, the funded account, I had a position, right? But instead of me scaling out, I added, right? So I went above the threshold for the max number of contracts permitted, right? And I got scared because I broke that rule, but they basically told me, look, you broke the rule, right? We're gonna study your account and see what came off of that trade. If you had profits off of those contracts that were in excess of the max permitted, and then we will take that profit out. At the end, they didn't take anything out because I closed it immediately. I think they probably added or took $20 off of my account, probably commissions. Who knows? I don't know. And but they paid me. They didn't take the account, right? So that's very valuable for me. So you can screw up, you can make a mistake, but you don't necessarily need to break the account. I mean, and let alone with $13,000 in profit after 2 months, right? So that's the evidence that they don't care about you. And I still use Apex though. I still use Apex. But that's the evidence. That's the evidence. They don't care about you. Oh yeah, that's another thing. Yeah. Well, but that happens only if if you are within the um initial 4500, right? For the 150, initial 4500 for the 150. Um, if you're new and you hit your daily loss, then yes, but they close your account for the day and you're not able to take any more trades today. Yeah, yeah.
Order submitted.
Oh, 2 contracts. What the fuck is not 2 contract?
Order submitted.
No, it should be 5 more, right?
Order submitted. Order
Oh,
order canceled.
okay, this is a real problem right now. I canceled all the orders
Order submitted.
because I need to add on here, and then I'll have 8.
Order submitted.
All right, I just have 2. Slowly coming back up, though. Slowly coming up. Just 2 micros.
Order failed.
Yeah. Well, I guess the read
Order canceled.
not good. Now, why here? So there you go. Minus $348. Yeah, people don't realize, but if they're losing over $1,000 in a day, they really need to sit down and think about things, because that's a lot of money to lose in one day. I always tell people you should be willing to lose more. Largest day. Yeah, that's kind of hard. That is kind of hard. I usually have similar winning and losing days. But I have better winning days, like a lot of winning days in a month. So this thing is just, again, the dollar is back in demand. But this thing is just going up. Oh, no. That's a no-brainer. So you shouldn't be losing $1,000 if you make 500. Like, that's a no-brainer, right? But my winning rates are usually 600, 700, right? I rarely lose more than 600. Yeah. No, that's 100% true what you're saying, Taurus. Yeah. All right, so that's it for me today. Like, I'm not in good shape. I am reading the market, but the market is, I'm not coherent. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. If you guys want to hang out a little bit on the Discord, I'll be in for a few minutes. Okay. Your risk management is impeccable. That's a big part of the reason when I come to the stream. I value risk management and your discipline. Just watching to stick to the guns. Okay, thank you, buddy. Yeah, I do my best to I do my best to just be consistent with my rules here. Yes. J Marquis, I'm gonna be in Discord. If you guys want to come, I'm gonna be for a little bit, okay? In Discord, just to have to use the thing, right? And we can chat in the voice channel, okay? See you guys. See you tomorrow if you're not willing to do the Discord. Bye.